So today we're going to be making some pasta in our Arcobaleno Pasta Extruder. And then we're going to cook it in our Arcobaleno Pasta Cooker. And then we're going to make some macaroni and cheese. It's going to be delicious. So first of all, we take our semolina flour and we just pour it into the pasta extruder here. And shut our lid. Safety first. And then we're just going to turn it on. So I'm just going to add our water here. So we've been making some macaroni noodles here, but I wanted to show you that Arcobaleno has they have their own machine shop. And so they have all different kinds of dyes that you can use to make all different kinds of pasta that you would like. They also will custom make your own. So if you want a flame, such as the Ignite flame, they can do that too. But anyways, they're very, very simple to change out. I'll go ahead and show you real quick how easy it is to do. You simply take off your cutter. Pop off the other die that you were using, and we'll go with some little corkscrews. Then you just screw this back on here, and then we're going to turn our extruder back on. Now, instead of macaroni noodles, we have little corkscrew noodles. So you can see the difference here between the macaroni noodles and the little corkscrew noodles. So here we have our pasta we've already put into our basket, and we're just gonna stick it right on down in here into the boiling water. Okay, so now our pasta is done. So we're gonna pull it out of here. And now we're gonna put together our pasta for our macaroni and cheese. I think I have way too much pasta though. Woo! All right, so now we're gonna assemble our macaroni and cheese. So we have our cheesy sauce that we made. We're gonna add that into our pasta. And then we have our crab. Actually, we're gonna stir this around a little bit first, because we don't want to break up our crab meat too much. We just want to toss it in there. And then we're going to pour this into our cast iron skillet. And then we're going to top it with our breadcrumbs that we have tossed with some butter. All right, and now we're going into the oven. So now we have our Krabby macaroni and cheese, and we're gonna put it in the Woodstone for about 15 minutes.